guys, the boys Zamzi here again, and I'm back with another reaction video, and this time we got Naughty Boy by Pentagon. And yeah, before we go to the reaction video guys, I would like to say thank you for subscribing to this channel. We're almost there guys, we almost hit the 100 subscriber milestones. You guys are amazing, I really appreciate it guys. And yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, we do K-pop reaction here, and if you got any other suggestion for me to check on, do hit on the comment down below. I'll try my best like to check on it like right away. And yeah, do follow me on Twitter as well guys, all link provided down below on the description. And yeah, let's just not waste any more time guys, let's just go to the reaction video. Let's go, let's get it.
Sway.
What is he doing? Okay. This vibe is actually different from what I'm used to Pentagon. But still, I love it though. That is some unique dance. Chicken. And they're just showing that they're eating chicken now. And the chorus is actually kimchi chicken. Kimchi chicken. Oh. Chicken. It's actually rare to see like this kinds of lyric at songs. This is actually really unique. So is this like the main rapper Yuto? If I'm wrong, please correct me guys. It's actually pretty hard for me like to remember their names right now. If I'm not wrong, this is Yuto, right? The main rapper. They're just so playful though. It's look like they're having so much fun filming this. And as usual, vocals. If I die tomorrow. So is there some related to Naughty Boy with frogs in Korean language? Do tell me down below guys. I actually really need to know that, because Keguri is actually a frog, right? If I'm not wrong. It's actually almost sound the same with they saying it Naughty Boy. I actually wonder if it's actually related though. Oh. They're looking like they're so high. This is so much fun to watch though. Oh. Okay guys, I think that's it for my reaction to Naughty Boy by Pentagon. And to be honest, this is actually like sounds something new to me from Pentagon, because to me they really having that dark impression from the first time I reacting to their songs. But this is actually really fun to watch, and I really enjoy watching it. And yeah, I'm actually looking forward for more of from Pentagon in the future. And yeah, do look forward for my reaction to Pentagon as well, guys, and keep on supporting me, guys. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate it, guys. And yes, see you in another reaction video. Thank you.